Good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome back once again to Fat Cat Collections. Bob and Brad back at you again with another product they just came out with. So, if you're not familiar with Bob and Brad, they make basically like massaging devices, kind of feel-good stuff. Whether it be one of their percussion massagers. I've reviewed a couple of those over the years, which I use almost every single day, being a guy that works out often, being a guy with aches and pains like most of us. It definitely helps to loosen up those tight muscles. I'm just waiting for them to come out with something that's more of like, I don't know, something you can massage yourself. Maybe something you kind of attach to the wall. Bob and Brad, take notes. Like a percussion massager that maybe you wall mount and you can actually kind of move your back around it. I have not seen anything like that, and it's kind of hard for me. I can't reach back and get the back. I can use a percussion massager on different parts of the body, but can't use it on the back. So Bob and Brad, you need to come out with a wall-mounted back massager. Something simple, something clean. Contact me. We'll talk about a design. But anyway, back to the actual product. They sent me their newly designed, this is a eye massager. And this is the Eye Oasis 2. Now, they sent me, I think last year, they sent me the original one. I think it was the Eye Oasis 1. Don't quote me on that. But pretty cool device. Definitely helps with eye strain. If you're a person who suffers from migraines, any kind of headache, tension, if you're staring at a screen all day long, working from your home office in your underwear, my goodness, you know, this is definitely something for you. Now, let's see what you get. So what kind of changes did they make from the last one? From what I can tell, the addition of, looks like Bluetooth, and the addition of this being sort of a, having the ability to play music. So you get the box, cool. We're not going to get into that too much or at all. We have the case. I like that Bob and Brad, everything that I've reviewed by them, they come with some kind of case. They think about traveling. Like, they think about these devices bettering your life and knowing that some folks travel a lot and often. And it's nice to be organized and have something you could tuck away. So I like the fact that they included a very soft zippered case for it. It's actually pillowed and it helps to protect your eye massager. So this is what it looks like here. I tried this on last night, pretty relaxing. And so it's, you know, it is what it is. You basically just, I'm just going to put it on for purpose of video, but I'm not going to leave it on because I got to do this video. But basically just pop it over your head and this is what it looks like. And you can see it covers, you know, it covers right almost up to the top of your forehead. So you're going to get all around your eye socket. It's going to get above your eyebrows and come down onto your cheekbones. You can see kind of how it fits, right? And so what this does, this has air, heat, and of course music. And right off their listing, I will put the link, as I always do in the description, so you can read more about it. So in case I you know, misspeak or say something incorrect, you can, you know, hold me accountable for it. All right, so what do you get? So what they're stating here, that this was developed by a physical therapist, and Bob and Brad trusted for over, is trusted by 3 million followers. Again, a little bit of, I don't know, a little bit of their resume. I can't confirm or deny that, but it says here just the idea in this is it relieves ocular muscle tension, relieves eye strain, and it eases pain and headaches, and reduces dark circles and eye bags. I can't confirm any of that. You will have to decide on whether that does that for you, but that's kind of where they're going. You have that temperature, again, no heat, low or high. I can tell you that the heat on this, it heats up very fast and it gets pretty warm. Some of the devices I've seen over the years, like when we look at like things that aren't really related to this, but heated glove stuff, it's very subtle heat. This actually gets pretty warm. So they did a great job in having like a decent amount of heat. Like you will definitely feel this around your eyeballs. Music, again, you can connect it, you can use the default music. Let me just turn it on here.
Bob and Brad eye massager is on.
So,
pressure plus heat plus music.
So it'll actually tell you its default setting. It says Bob and Brad eye massager's on. We have heat plus massage plus music. And what this is basically doing is you have
Ear pressure plus heat.
You have, sorry, I hit the button there.
High heat.
I don't know if you can hear this, but you select the buttons on the front here. So when I press it,
No temperature.
no temperature,
Low heat.
low heat,
High heat.
high heat, and then of course when we press this one,
Moderate pressure.
moderate pressure,
Strong pressure.
strong pressure. And of course we have the voice.
Maximum volume.
So I hope you can hear that. I'm going to kind of pop this around the microphone. So it's got kind of like this new age, gotta put this on. This actually sounds really great. Oh man. Oh man. man. Oh man, that's pretty good, man. Almost took a little nap right there. So, I like it. I totally dig it. It is rechargeable, of course, USB-C connection, and I like the fact that the volume on this, it's not overly loud, but it's loud enough. And what they've done is they put the speakers right in the front here. So when you're wearing this, you kind of hear that music like it's coming in front of you, and it's not blocking your ears. I'm glad they didn't make this where it's actually like a set of headphones, because you want to be able to put something like this on, relax, but not be completely immersed in this process, right? I guess that's kind of where I'm going. Like, you know, if you're on a plane, you want to be able to like hear what's going on around you. Of course, if not, you can throw some headphones on with it too. But I like the fact it's not overly loud, but it's not, you know, it's not quiet either. So we have 3 different levels of volume.
Maximum volume.
So again, off, low, medium, high, pretty cool. And of course that pressure, you probably can't see this on the video, but it's basically expanding all the way around the sides, the lower portion of the eye socket, and the upper portion around your eyebrows. Again, depends on your size of your head. At least on me, I can feel this into my temples too. And I don't remember if the last one, you actually...
Goodbye.
I just don't remember the last one coming this far into the temples. Now for me, I love that because I'm always kind of like rubbing my temples like that. Yeah, I think most of us do that too, especially if you're staring at a computer screen. I like the fact this definitely massages the temples. I think that's arguably the best part of this. So let's talk about the specifications here. So I'm going to give you the main points on here. Again, if you want to listen to your own music, you can connect it to Bluetooth and stream music directly from your phone. Let me just see what it states here. Yeah, you'll just connect to your phone. It's called Bob and Brad Eye Massager. I like the fact also that they gave it a name that's going to broadcast on Bluetooth. That's not like, you know, BB number 347-7. You know what I mean? You look at this. I know you can change all that, but I like the fact they gave it just a very user-friendly name. So when you're connecting to it, you don't have to wonder what's going on or what you're connecting to. I'm not going to talk too much about what they are claiming as far as like the conditions on who may use this. Again, anytime you use anything like this, you know, if you've had surgeries or anything done to the eyes, you want to check. You wear glasses, contacts, you want to check with your doctor before using anything. Just full disclosure there. Don't listen to me and be like, oh, I can use this. Fat Cat Collection said it's okay. Bob and Brad said it's okay. You want to consult your doctor if you have any concerns, of course, because the onus is on you. So what they did is they upgraded to a double layer design for superior eye massage. It says here that the heat will go between 104 and 113. That's pretty hot. And that explains why you can really feel the heat. That might be a little hot for some folks. For me, I absolutely found it perfect. You have 5 different modes, 4 intensities, and customizable music. I didn't dive into that too much, but you know, you can when you get it. It says here, wear 15 minutes before going to bed, and you will feel completely relaxed. That is, well, we can't confirm or deny that. You'll have to let me know how that works for you. And you know, they give you the 1-year warranty, 24-hour customer service. I can't imagine why you would need it. You basically just throw this on and it works. Now there's a whole bunch of other people making stuff like this. I've always trusted the Bob and Brad brand. I mean, of course, naturally I work with them, so of course I'm going to say that. But you know, I have reviewed other percussion massagers by different brands. Bob and Brad's the only ones who sent me eye massagers, but you know, I can tell you that between with their percussion massagers, there is an element of quality there that I haven't gotten with the other percussion massagers. Don't get me wrong, they all still work, and there's thousands to choose from, but of the 4 that I reviewed, the Bob and Brad seem to be the most refined, and I think you'll find that with any product they make. Definitely a good company, definitely a company I enjoy working with, and I like this company that they've kind of kept it. I don't know if Bob and Brad actually own this company or if this is like a Chinese brand. I'm just not really sure. But they do get 4.5 stars on Amazon, 614 ratings just on this. And I like the fact that when you buy this, again, we don't know where we're buying from, but I feel like with this company that there is, if they are a Chinese branded company, there is an element of somebody working there who has, I guess, really great English skills or just kind of knows the American market a little bit more. So price point, $60, $15 off coupon today. I would encourage you to check it out. You know, read description, see if it's going to be something that's going to work for you. But I'll tell you, you know, as far as my review on this, I like the best part for me, that's great that it has the music. It's great that it does all the heat. But I love the fact how far it comes over to the temple. This, from my head, I don't have a huge head, right? If you have a big Papa head, you might need something bigger model. I don't know, but this, from my head, definitely massages the temples, and I don't know, pretty relaxing. I'm definitely gonna get a lot of use out of this, although I'm pretty relaxed most of the time. So we'll see. My sister did show interest in this, so I may gift this to her. We'll see. It just depends on who's gonna use it the most, But what else? Pretty nice design. I like the fact that it folds up. Nice solid elastic, but I can't really, I'm not going to state that this is like, you're going to get, this is better than any other brand out there. I just don't know what else you get. But again, I trust the Bob and Brad name. I like their products, and this is another winner as far as I'm concerned. And when you look at, from what I'm just looking at, just a couple pop-ups here, when you look at the price point, with that $15 off coupon, that's pretty competitive. So what I also like about this, and this might seem kind of like common sense, but like, there's a lot of headphones, right, that I've reviewed that they have the ability to like control your phone and skip songs, and I'm constantly like trying to figure out what button's what, right? So with this, they've actually like made these buttons with some common sense. Like, you can actually feel that the power button's larger, and you just kind of get to know, you just have 3, it's simple, and just when this is on, you can just feel it with ease. They put grooves on it. It's not like Braille or anything like that, but I like the fact they're right on the front. When I look at other models here, some of them kind of have them off to the sides. Some have a remote control, which is, I guess, okay. I mean, I don't see the point of having a remote control when it's right here, but hey, right to, whatever. But I don't know. Check it out. Let me know if I can help you guys in any way. I want to thank Bob and Brad for the generosity. Again, drop me an email or drop me a comment if I could be of assistance. And you guys have a fantastic day. Stay relaxed and take care.